Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus limits can look intimidating, but we can solve this specific problem in under 60 seconds by identifying the derivative definition hidden inside the limit expression. Notice that this limit matches the definition of the derivative for f of x equals e to the negative x, evaluated specifically at the point where x equals 1. You got this! Now we apply the chain rule to differentiate e to the negative x. The derivative of e to the u is e to the u times u prime, giving negative. Finally, substitute x equals 1 into our derivative formula. This results in negative e to the negative 1, which simplifies to negative 1 over e. That makes option A correct. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't miss the chain rule sign. Always use the limit form to find the derivative.